Liesl. I work for Logan Services as a lead plumber. We have really hard water in the Ohio Valley, and that builds up in the bottom of the tank. It's just calcium forming like a white rock in here, and it's pretty corrosive. So it'll eat away at the lining of the tank, which causes a slow leak over time. The biggest way to prevent that is to flush the water heater annually. If you have a tank water heater, there's a little bit of a difference between a gas and electric. The electric, you just want to make sure you shut the electricity off before you flush it. But with the gas, basically you're just opening the hose and flushing it without setting it out so that over time it doesn't go on. This is an electric tank, and down here there's a brass valve you'll hook a hose up to and open this valve up to flush any of that water out. And then that water that's pooling out will also flush the hardness that's in at the bottom as well. We do always caution people when flushing water heaters on their own, just because of the age of the heater. If you're out of that 5-year range, I would probably have a professional out to check it out first, because sometimes it can cause more damage than good. So if you have any of these issues or you notice a problem with your water heater, please give us a call.